Young boy named Ethan who was passionate about creating content on YouTube. He had big dreams of becoming a successful YouTuber, but he faced a common challenge: how to boost his views and subscribers. Frustrated by slow growth, Ethan decided to take matters into his own hands and crack the code of YouTube automation. Ethan spent countless hours researching and studying the algorithms and trends of YouTube. He was determined to find a way to unleash the power of automation to achieve his goals. After months of dedicated effort, he stumbled upon a hidden technique that many had overlooked. With a newfound excitement, Ethan began implementing his automation strategy. He started by using automated tools to optimize his video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helped his videos reach a wider audience, and soon he started seeing an increase in views. As his content appeared in front of more viewers, his subscriber count also began to rise steadily. But Ethan didn't stop there. He knew that consistency was key on YouTube, so he used automation to schedule his uploads at the most optimal times. This not only saved him time, but also ensured that his videos went live when his target audience was most active. As a result, his views and subscribers continued to climb. Word started spreading in the YouTube community about Ethan's rapid success. Other content creators were amazed at how he had managed to crack the code of YouTube's algorithms using automation. Ethan began sharing his knowledge through tutorials and videos, and his channel became a hub for all things related to YouTube growth through automation. As more and more people implemented Ethan's strategies, they too experienced significant growth in their channels. Ethan's channel became the go-to resource for anyone looking to boost their views and subscribers using automation. His hard work and innovative approach had not only transformed his own channel, but had also positively impacted the lives of countless aspiring YouTubers. Ethan's story spread far and wide, and he was invited to speak at YouTube conventions and seminars. He became a respected figure in the world of online content creation and automation. However, he always remained humble, remembering his days of struggle and the moment he decided to take control of his destiny. And so the young boy who had once dreamed of YouTube stardom cracked the code of success through YouTube automation, boosting his views and subscribers beyond his wildest imagination. His journey proved that with determination, innovation, and a little bit of automation, anyone could unleash the true power of YouTube and accomplish their dreams.